What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel, LDT Eats. I'm Gracie and this is my mom, Carrie.
Hi guys!
Today we're going to be making
ranch chicken. We're still out visiting, so if you hear anything in the background, it's just family. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to turn your oven on at 350. I'll leave all the ingredients and the instructions in the description below. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Thin sliced chicken breasts. Make sure that you wash them and then dry them out. Shredded Parmesan cheese, crushed cornflakes, ranch mix, and melted butter. So you're going to go ahead and mix all the 3 dry ingredients.
So all of it?
Mm-hmm. You're just going to go ahead and mix it up with a fork or your hands. And make sure that it's really mixed good. This is the easiest part of the recipe. You take the chicken, you dip it into the butter, coat it really well, shake off the excess butter. Then you place it into the dry ingredients and squish it down, okay? So go ahead and take it out and place it into the pan, please. Shake up, yep.
Good.
Use 2 hands. There you go. You want to make sure that the chicken goes this way.
Okay.
Okay, so this is all you're gonna do is just dip the chicken in, transfer it into the dry ingredients. Okay, go ahead and squish it down. Okay, and just transport it to,
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. And you can go ahead and put it into the pot.
Is that enough?
What you'll have to do is flip it over. There you go. And then just keep on doing this. Look, what you're gonna do is just squish it down. You wanna make sure it's squished down really good. Just like that. And then try not to shake the excess off because you want to leave that for extra coating. You're gonna just place it into this pan, just like this, okay? That's it, all right? Again, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this over to the dry flakes. And she's gonna go ahead and mix it.
This is a big one.
Okay? That's it, get right underneath the cornflakes. And then squish it down. And then flip over and squish it down again.
This is messy.
Yeah, it's kind of messy, but it's kind of fun, right?
Yeah.
It's all right. Yeah, it's definitely kind of messy. You're probably going to need a bigger bowl than what we have here. Then you're just going to go ahead and do it like this. All right, that's it.
Can I do the butter?
You want to do the butter this time? All right. All right, go ahead. Make sure you place it right in here.
It's slippery.
Yeah. Take the excess butter off and then place it in here. That's it. Definitely need a bigger bowl. So when you do this, make sure you have a very big bowl so that none of this will be falling out of your bowl, okay? Squish, make sure that it's squished in.
And
Make sure that the cornflakes are embedded into the chicken. All right, then I'm just gonna transfer it over here.
also beware, the chicken is very slippery.
What's good about this recipe is you don't need eggs with the chicken because the butter is going to hold everything into place. And also the butter will make your chicken so tender and moist.
And delicious.
All right. So I put the rest of the cornflakes into this pan that was in the bowl. Whatever butter I have left, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it over the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna put this into the oven. So now you're just gonna wait for 45 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to take it out. Okay, look at that. And there you have the chicken. So I don't eat meat, but my daughter and sister-in-law does, so they're going to go ahead and take a taste. And you don't even need a knife for this because it just cuts with a fork. Good? All right.
Extremely tender.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We hope you join us for another meal. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.